Good morning to Doctor. My name is Tan Jun Wei. This recording is a record for the demo for our project. The title of our project is Student Course Registration System. First, when we run, the system will display this page, login page. So we can type the information for the login. First, we log in the admin first. Type the username and the password, and then we can log in. If the username and the password is correct, the system will display welcome admin. So this is the page for the admin page for the admin. So in the admin page, we have three main function, which is student list and register, course enrollment, and admin dashboard for update and delete. So for the first function to admin, the admin can register the new student by keying their student ID, name, and program. So for example, we key in the student ID 120, the name like uh wait, and the program random networking, and you can click the button register student. So the system will display the message which is student added. So after this, here will display all the active student list. So in here we can see that the new student ID is already added. So we can go to the next function. So here will display available course, which is introduced to Java, Big Data Analysis, and Network Security. So for this function, admin can key in the student ID and the course need to enroll for the student. So for example, we key in the student ID, we add previous, and we choose a course for enroll for the student. So after we fill out the information, we can click the button enroll student. So the system will display success student register. So we can see in the big data analyze, now it's 5. When we click OK, it will become 6. But if we enroll the student to the course is already full, for example, network security, the seat field is 2 and the capacity is 2. So mean this card is full. So when we click the enroll student, the system will display the message error class is full. But when we enroll to the another class which is introduced to Java, the system will normal just display success student register, and here will from 6 to 7 because the class is not full. So in here we also had a button for refreshing the page, and a button for show the state graph. This graph is for active student enrollment by program. So for this graph, we can see that the number of student enrollment by their program, group by their program. So we have 6 programs. So here is will divided for 6. So here is the data. Next, we go to the last function for the admin, which is admin dashboard. This function is for the admin to update and delete the data for the student. So the admin want to update or delete the data for the student, the admin need to click. When the admin click here, it will display the information. So very networking. So here, the admin can change the name for the student if the admin if the student name is changed or wrong typing. So we can change the name. I think if in a name like Gan, and we can also can edit the program from networking to cybersecurity. So here we can update the selected student. After we update here, the name in the program is changed. After that, we also can delete the information for the student. Same, we need to click for selecting, and here we display the information for the student, and we can click the soft delete button. The system will display a confirmation. We click yes. Yeah, the information for the student is deleted. Here is also has a refresh data button for us, for the admin to refresh this page or refresh whole program. So that's all for the admin page. So we proceed to the student page. So for the student page, we need to key in the student information. Here, when we log in as user, the system will display welcome student. For the previous one, we log in as an admin, the system will display welcome admin. So for the student page, is just two function only, which is student list and register and the course enrollment. So this is the same. The student can register their own information to the system by keying their student ID and the name and program. So for example, student ID 170, name Lan, and the program data science. So register student, the system will display student address. So here is the information for the new student. So in here also the refresh button for the student to refresh this page. So we can go to the next function, which is course enrollment. Here we display the available course or the available course and the seat field and the capacity. So students can enroll themselves to any courses they are interested or they need to enroll. So they can they can key in their student ID 0 and select the course they interested. Intro to Java is like this and enroll. If successful, the system will display success, student registered. So here from 7 become 8. But if the class is full, like network security, here capacity is only 2 and the seat field is also 2, the system will display that is full. So that's all for the student page. Also, that's all for this for our demo for this system for the student course registration system. Thank you.